If you have set a custom alarm sound in your Samsung phone, but if it is not ringing, then let us see how to fix the issue. Now let us at first start with some basic troubleshooting steps. So what you will do is, the first thing is you will restart your phone and check if the alarm will work or not. The other thing that you will do after that one is, make sure that the volume is high so that you will hear the alarm when it rings. After that, the other thing that you will do is you will go to settings here, then you will go to this option general management, go to reset, select this option reset all settings, and again select reset settings. Now you need to enter the password to unlock your phone and then select this option reset. No data will be deleted, but if you have made some customizations in your phone, it might be removed. Also the password of the Wi-Fi might be removed and you have to enter the password again. After that, the other thing that you will do is you will go to this clock icon here, tap on this more option, go to settings, and here there is an option silence alarms when system sound is off. If you have enabled this option, make sure to disable this option. Also what you do is go to settings again, go to this option accessibility, go to hearing enhancement. There is an option here mute all sounds. If you have enabled this option, then what happens is alarms as well as other sound will be muted. So make sure to disable this option. The last thing that you will do is you will uninstall this clock application and then reinstall it again. If you want to uninstall, you have to just tap and hold this clock icon, select uninstall, and then if you select OK, this clock application will be removed. After that, you have to go to Play Store, and then from Play Store what you will do is you will search for clock, and then you will again install this clock application. So once you have installed the clock application, again set alarm and check if the alarm will work or not.